Hi student, today's topic is solving an equation. Solving an equation means to find the value of variable which is in equation that satisfy the equation. Let's see an example here. 2x plus 3 is equal to 12. Okay. So what is the solution of this equation? What will be the solution of this equation means value of variable x which satisfy the equation. Value of variable which satisfy the equation. So in this equation, what is the value? What is the variable? X. Then what is the value of x which satisfy this equation? To what is the meaning of satisfy the equation? Meaning of satisfy the equation. Okay. Meaning of satisfy the equation means if you put the value of variable to both side, then the value of both sides must be same at given value of variable. Take any value of variable x is equal to 2 and check that 2 is the solution of this equation. Find the value of LHS at x is equal to 2. So LHS is equal to what? 2x plus 3. It is the LHS of the equation. So 2 into 2 plus 3, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, and your RHS is equal to 12. So you observe here 7 is not equal to 12, means at x is equal to 2, value of LHS is not equal to value of RHS. So x is equal to 2 is not the solution, of equation. So what is the solution of the equation? 2x plus 3 is equal to 12, means there exists a value of variable on which left hand side is equal to right hand side, means value of the left hand side of the equation is equal to right hand side of the equation. So there are some steps to find the solution of equation. Let's see an equality. Okay, consider an equality 8 minus 3 is equal to 4 plus 1. Let us now add to both sides as a result. So LHS is equal to what? 8 minus 3 plus 2. I have added 2 to the LHS of this equality. Okay, so what is the value of this? 5 and 2, so 7. And RHS is equal to 4 plus 1 plus 2. बिकॉज ऑफ 2 को हमने क्या किया, दोनों तरफ ऐड किया हुआ ना, तो यहाँ भी आप ऐड करोगे, यहाँ भी ऐड करोगे, देन सिंप्लीफाई. So 4 plus 1 5 plus 2 7. So here we observe that if we add the same number to both sides of an equation, of an equation, it still hold. Okay, now if we subtract the same number from the both side of an equality, it still hold. Here observe, take this equality again. 8 minus 3 is equal to 4 plus 1. If you subtract 2 from both sides, then what will be the value of LHS? 8 minus 3 minus 2. So 8 minus 5, it will be 3. And RHS, R 4 plus 1 minus 2, 5 minus 2, it is 3. Here we again see that a value of LHS is equal to RHS at when we subtract 2 from both sides. Okay, so we observe here, if we subtract the same number from both sides of an equality, it still hold. If we subtract same number from both sides of an equality, it still hold. Okay, similarly, if we multiply or divide both sides of the equality by the same non-zero number, it still hold. Okay, now these conclusions are also valid for equation, as in each equation variable represent a number only. If we fail to do same mathematical operation, if we fail to do the same mathematical operation with same number on the both side of an equality, the equality may not hold. The equality that involve variable is an equation. So these conclusions are also valid for equation, as in each equation variable represent a number only. Okay, so our motto will be to fix the variable only one side. See example here, x minus 2 is equal to 3. What is the solution of this equation? What will you do to find the solution of this equation? If we add 2 to both sides, x minus 2 plus 2, 3 plus 2, this 2 cancel because they having same value but opposite signs, so they cancel each other. X here 3 plus 2, so 5, so value of x we get 5. Okay, so here 5 is the solution of this equation. ओके, तो हमारा मोटो क्या होगा कि किसी भी एक साइड x को रखना, किसी वेरिएबल को बस केवल एक ही साइड फिक्स करना। जैसे यहाँ पे अगर 4x इक्वल टू 3 है तो हमें क्या करना होगा, यहाँ पे x रखने के लिए क्या करना होगा, इसको हटाना होगा यहाँ से। तो हमें क्या करना होगा, इफ़ वी डिवाइड बोथ साइड बाय 4 देन दिस 4 कैंसिल, 4x अपॉन 4 डिवाइड बोथ साइड बाय 4, so 3 upon 4, so it is cancelled. So x is equal to 3 by 4, x is equal to 3 by 4, x is equal to 3 by 4 is the solution of this. Okay, now see, if x upon 2 is equal to 3, here 2, x upon 2 is equal to 3, it is an equation. To find the value of x, what will you do? You have to multiply by 2. You have to multiply by 2 to both sides of this equation. Okay, so 2 multiply by x upon 2 is equal to 2 into 3. So this 2 cancel this. अब यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा, x बचेगा. So x is equal to 2 into 3, so 6. x is equal to 6. Okay, so in solving an equation we have to follow this step to find the value of variable, to find the solution of the equation. Okay, see an example here. X plus 3, question, x plus 3 is equal to 8. Okay, it is an example here. X plus 3 is equal to 8. Then how will you keep this side x only? If you subtract 3 from both side, then on this side x will be remain. So x plus 3 minus 3, हमने इस साइड भी 3 सब्ट्रैक्ट किया तो इस साइड भी 3 सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा. ओके, टू कीपिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ इक्वेशन सेम, x is equal to what? 5. So x is equal to 5 is the solution of this equation. Now see this weighing balance. If x plus 3 is equal to 8, here x plus 3 is equal to 8, means weighing balance is now balance. Okay, if you add 2 here, we have to add 2 here also. So this weighing balance with equal weight to both side. Okay, if you subtract 2 from here, you have to subtract 2 from here also. Okay, so keeping this in your mind to solving an equation. Okay, let's see another example. 5y is equal to 35. What is the variable here? Y is variable here. So we have to find the value of variable y which satisfy this equation. So to find the value of variable, what will you do? What will be the first step to find this? First step is here, what? We have to divide both side by 5. Both side by 5. So 5y upon 5 is equal to 35 upon 5. So cancel it. Y is equal to what? This cancel. 5 7 are 35. So 7. So y is equal to 7. So y is equal to 7 is the solution of this equation. Okay, now solve this equation is 3n plus 7 is equal to what? 25. Okay, so what is the first step to separate the variable n on the LHS of the equation? Okay, we shall first subtract 7 from it so that we get 3n from this. In the next step we shall divide by 3 to get n. Okay, so first of all remove this. 3n plus 7 minus 7 is equal to 25 minus 7. Okay, so this 7 cancel this. So 3n is equal to what? 25 minus 7, 18. Now 3 is multiplied here to n, multiplied to n. So we keep n only on LHS. So we have to divide both sides by n. So 3n divided by 3 is equal to 18 upon 3. So इसको कैंसिल कर देगा ये. n is equal to what? 3 6 जा 18. कितनी अच्छी बात है ना, हम लोग सीख गए अच्छे से. देखो अब सेकंड इसमें क्या है, b 2p माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 23. ओके, अब हमें क्या करना है इसमें पहले -1 को हटाना है. तो -1 को कैसे हटाओगे आप? 2p -1 +1 हमने क्या किया, इसमें ऐड कर दिया। जब -1 को +1 से ऐड करोगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, ये 0 हो जाएगा। ओके, सो 23 +1, हमने 1 इस साइड भी ऐड किया तो इस साइड भी ऐड करना पड़ेगा। सो 2p इक्वल टू वॉट, 24। ओके, 2p इक्वल टू 24। अब हमें क्या करना है, 2 यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई में है, अगर हम लोग इस दोनों साइड को क्या कर दें, 2 से डिवाइड कर दें तो क्या मिल जाएगा, केवल p मिलेगा। सो 2p अपॉन 2 इक्वल टू 24 अपॉन 2। सो कैंसिल इट, p इक्वल टू 12, p इक्वल टू 12। So p equal to 12 is the solution of this. Okay, now solve this equation. Okay, now solve this equation. This equation is here what? Equation 4x plus 5 is equal to 65. So remove this from this side. आपको माइंड में रखना है कि बस एक एक्स को क्या करना, वेरिएबल को केवल एक साइड रखना है, या तो एलएचएस में रखो या तो आरएचएस में आप रखो। सो हमें इस साइड रखना है, तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, इसको हटाना पड़ेगा। इसको हटाने के लिए क्या करोगे आप, पहला स्टेप क्या होगा, 4x + 5 - 5 65 - 5। आप सेम नंबर को क्या कर सकते हो, दोनों साइड में ऐड कर सकते हो, सब्ट्रैक्ट भी कर सकते हो। सो हमने क्या किया है, 5 को दोनों साइड से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया है, चूँकि यहाँ पे +5 है, यहाँ पे क्या है +5 है, तो यहाँ पे क्या रखोगे आप, -5 रखोगे। सो सब्ट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम हियर 4x इक्वल टू वॉट, 65 - 5 60। नाउ 4x इज हियर इज 60। सो अब यहाँ पे x रखना है तो क्या करना पड़ेगा, 4 यहाँ पे x मल्टीप्लाई में है 4 के साथ। सो 4x को क्या कर दोगे आप, 4 से डिवाइड कर दो, 60 अपॉन क्या हो जाएगा, 4 हो जाएगा। डिवाइड दिस 4 बाई दिस 4, सो x इक्वल टू वॉट, 60 अपॉन 4। अब क्या हो जाएगा, ये कैंसिल, 15, x इक्वल टू 15। ओके, हम लोग फॉलो क्या कर रहे हैं, हम लोग को बस दिमाग में ये रखना है कि वेरिएबल को किसी एक साइड रखना है, या तो इक्वल साइन के साथ इधर रखो, इधर केवल रखो, केवल और केवल वेरिएबल होना चाहिए। ठीक है, जैसे एक और इक्वेशन आपके सामने ही ले रहा हूँ मैं, ये रहा इक्वेशन, ये 10y - 20 इक्वल टू 50। ओके, सो 10y - 20 इक्वल टू 50 है। अब -20 को सब हटाना है यहाँ से, y को ही वाली साइड रखना है। तो फर्स्ट स्टेप इज व्हाट, ऐड 20 टू बोथ साइड, ऐड 20 टू बोथ साइड। ओके, सो 10y - 20 + 20 इक्वल टू 50 + 20। सो ये इसको कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 10y इक्वल टू 70। नाउ डिवाइड दिस बाई 10, सो 10y अपॉन 10 इक्वल टू 70 अपॉन 10। सो y कैंसिल, y इक्वल टू 7, y इक्वल टू 7 is the solution of this equation. Y इक्वल टू 7 is the solution of this equation. Okay, when you solve any equation, so you have to write each and every step what you follow. Okay, consider an example. Willingly I take an example. X plus 2x plus 1 is equal to what, 5. Okay, solve it. What is the first step to solving this equation? So first step is what, subtract 1 from both side. So 2x plus 1 minus 1, 5 minus 1, यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा 4, ये इसको कैंसिल हो जाएगा 2x. नाउ सेकेंड स्टेप, you take here divide both side by 2. Okay, so 2x upon 2 is equal to what? 4 upon 2. So it will cancel. X is equal to what? 2. X is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 is the solution of this equation. Check. Okay, check that x is equal to 2 is the solution of this equation or not. So find LHS at x is equal to 2. LHS is here what? 2x plus 1. So 2 into 2 plus 1. So 4 plus 1, 5. Now RHS is equal to 5. 5 is given already. So LHS is equal to RHS at x is equal to 2. So we can say that x is equal to 2 is the solution of equation. Okay, now exercise 4.2. In 4.2, give first step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Okay, first, हाँ स्टूडेंट, अब हम सभी लोग एक्सरसाइज 4.2 को सॉल्व करेंगे. 4.2 को सॉल्व करेंगे और हर एक स्टेप को भी आपको लिखना है. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फॉर यू. गिव फर्स्ट द स्टेप you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. So what is the first question of question number 1? A x minus 1 is equal to 0. What will be the first step you will use to separate the variable? Separate the variable means you should keep the variable on one side only. Okay, so here minus 1, here 0. If we add 1 to this side, then it will be 0 and here 1. So first step is what? First step is add 1 to both side. Add 1 to both side. So x minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 plus 1. Here minus 1 and plus 1 cancel each other. So x is equal to what? 0 plus 1 means 1. X is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 is the solution of this equation. Our first step is what? Add 1 to both side to separate variable. Okay. For B, x plus 1 is equal to what? What is here? X plus 1 is equal to 0. So what will be the first step to separate this variable? First step, you will, if you subtract 1 from both side, then what will you get? This one cancel ना. अगर आप इसमें से 1 सब्ट्रैक्ट करते तो क्या मिलेगा आपको? यहाँ पे ये 0 हो जाएगा, x ही बचेगा. सो सब्ट्रैक्ट 1 from both side. Okay, So x plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 minus 1. So what? It will cancel. X is equal to 0 minus 1 minus. So x is equal to what? Minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 will be the solution of this equation. X is equal to what? X is equal to x is equal to minus 1 is what? X is equal to minus 1 is the solution of this equation. Now C is x minus 1 is equal to 5. So to separate variable from this equation, separate the variable, we have to add 1 to both sides. So add 1 to both sides. We get x minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 5 plus 1. x is equal to, ये cancel हो जाएगा. X is equal to what? 6. So x is equal to 6 is the solution of this equation. Now D, y plus D is what? X plus 6 is equal to 2. So what will you follow? First step, subtract 6 from both sides. Subtract 6 from both side. X plus 6 minus 6 is equal to 2 minus 6. Here it will cancel. X is equal to what? 2 minus 6. X is equal to 2 minus 6 is equal to what? Minus 4. In class 6th you have learned addition and subtraction of integer by number line or algebra, simple addition and subtraction. So x is equal to minus 4 is the solution of this equation. Okay, now rest question of question number 1 you will solve at home by self. Okay, now I am going to discuss question number 2. The first step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. So let's see question number 2a. 3l is equal to 42. Okay, here 3 is multiplied to l. So to separate l we have to divide by 3 both sides. So 3l divided by 3 is equal to 42 upon 3. So it will cancel. So l is equal to what? 42 upon 3. So what will be the value of this? 14. What will be the value of this? 14. So l is equal to 14. You have to write the step. Divide both side by 3. Divide both side by 3. Now b by 2 is equal to 6. Here 2 is 2 divide b is equal to 6. So here 2 is a divisor. So if we multiply by 2 to both side, this 2 and this 2 cancel. So multiply by 2 to both side. 2 into b by 2 is equal to 6 into 2. So this 2 cancel this. So b is equal to what? 12. So b is equal to 12 is the solution of this. Now c is what? P upon 7 is equal to 4. Multiply by 7 to both side. So 7 first step we use to separate this variable p. We have to multiply by 7 to both side. So 7 multiply by p up into 7 is equal to 7 multiply by 4, cancel. P is equal to what? 28. So P is equal to 28 is the solution. Multiply 7 to both side. Okay. Now D, 4x is equal to 25. So to separate this variable from this, we have to divide by 4. So 4x upon 4 is equal to 25 upon 4. Divide this. Okay, so x is equal to 25 upon 4. 25 upon 4 is the solution of this equation. Thank you, student. And question number 3, 4 we will solve tomorrow. Okay.